Uncle, what's up? Oh, hey man, I had a quick question, man. How did we get all our races, man? How did God figure all that out? I'm curious, man. Oh, that's real easy. He made a big bonfire. Oh, a bonfire. Oh, okay. Everybody was palangi, white. Oh, okay, so we all started off as palangis? Oh, okay, right? So he put everybody in front of the bonfire. So all the people that was in the front of the bonfires were the Meuli people. Oh, you saw it? The brothers, the Meulis were in the front because they were too close to the fire and it was burned them. So that's why we get the Meulis. Because, okay, that makes sense. Behind the Meulis is the brown people like us. The Samoans, the Tongans, the Polynesians, the Mexico, all the Hispanic, all those people. They were in the middle. So that's why we are brown people, yeah? Oh, that's right. That's why we're medium brown. Okay. And behind the brown people were the Palangis because they weren't as close to the fire like us, huh? Oh, then you get the Palangis behind us. Okay, yeah. So that's why they're white because they were in the back. They were too far back, so they didn't get no. That's why. Oh, okay, makes sense. That's the Palangi people. See? What about the Asians? Oh, the Sangha people. The Alcolea. Oh, they were all the way in the back behind the Palangi people. Yeah. That's them all the way in the back. That's why their eyes are like this. Because they were in the back like, what's going on in the front? What's going on in the front? They were squinting to try to see because they were too far back, yeah? Si kalaula.
This is Bango! Go kung imasta Maewi foa makaluyo ka nga kamasaw kililaw kaw kala Kalang wa may nga opo mo mafakay Naiyo o isi mauma